Okay, so this time we're going to discuss operations on functions. So we have four, no? And you have this one, yung una, f plus g of x, that is equal to f of x plus g of x. Meaning to say, may dalawa ka dapat na function na given, yung f of x at saka yung g of x. And then the second one, f minus g of x is also presented by f of x minus g of x. Okay? Then the third one is f times g, meaning you have to multiply the function f of x and g of x. Yung fourth one, division naman to, you have to divide f over g of x. That is same as f of x over g of x. For example, we have f of x is equal to x plus 2, then g of x is equal to x minus 1. So we have to find the four operations using the two functions. So yung A, yung addition, then subtraction ng function, then multiplication, then division. So let's do that. Okay? So, eto ha, remember, eto yung f of x, eto yung g of x, yung given natin. So, una muna, we have to find the f plus g. So, eto yun, di ba? So, sa a natin, f plus g of x is equal to f of x plus g of x. So, ibig sabihin, we're going to substitute the value. Okay? So, f plus g of x is equal to, ano yung f of x natin? Ito yun, di ba? So, substitute natin, x plus 2. Okay? Kasi equal sila, di ba? Then, yung g of x, ito siya. So, plus. Kasi plus nga siya, ito, plus. Then, 3x minus 1. Okay? Tapos, combining like terms lang. So, ito, like terms sila. So, may coefficient na 1. So, 1 plus 3, you have 4x. And then sa constant naman, 2 minus 1, so we have plus 1. So this is now the value of f plus g of x. Yung 4x plus 1. Okay? Now about letter B. F minus g of x is equal to f of x minus g of x. Okay? So, ganun din. No? We have to substitute. Ano yung f of x? Ito. So, x plus 2. Minus, pag minus yan, dahil yung g of x natin, dalawa yung term, do not forget to enclose it sa parentheses. Bakit? Kasi, may preceded siya na negative or na minus sign. Ibig sabihin, pag nag-distribute ka, mababago yung sign ng dalawa. Okay? So, let's do that. So, x plus 2, eto becomes negative 3x. Negative, negative, we have positive 1. Okay? Tapos combining like terms. So, eto, may positive 1, negative yun. So, yung coefficient, ima-minus natin kasi hindi sila parehas ng sign. Diba? So, 3 minus 1, we have 2. Kukunin natin yung sign ng 3 kasi mas malaki siya. No? So, negative 2x. Then, 2 plus 1, 3. So, yan na ngayon yung value ng f minus g of x. Okay? So, nakadalawa na tayo. Let's have now the product. So, f times g of x is equal to f of x times g of x. Okay? So, yun, di ba? So, substitute natin. Ano yung f of x? So, ang f of x, kinuha ko na lang yung equal sign. So, f of x is x plus 2. Okay? Dahil nagta-times tayo, i-close na lang natin sa parentheses. And then, times g of x, eto yun. So, 3x minus 1. Now, this time, binomial to, multiplied by a binomial. So, you have to apply the FOIL method. So, ano nga yung FOIL method natin? FOIL stand for yung f natin, first term. So, x times 3x is 3x squared. Kasi pag nagta-times tayo, diba? Kinakopy natin yung base, add the exponent. So, 1 plus 1, kaya yun 2. Eto, may coefficient na 1 times 3, kaya 3. Okay? So, that's the first term. How about the outer term? So, outer natin, ito yung outer daw, nasa labas. So, x times negative 1 is negative x. Okay? Tapos, yung inner natin, 2 times 3, 6x. Okay? And then yung last term natin, 2 times negative 1 is negative 2. Yan. Then combining like terms. Anong like terms natin? Yung nasa gitna. Parehas silang x, di ba? So copy natin yung first. Ito negative, ito positive. So opposite sign sila. So minus natin, may 1 yan dyan. 6 minus 1, 5. Kukunin natin yung plus kasi mas malaki yung 6 kesa sa 1. So plus 5x. And then minus 2. So this is now the value of f times g of x. Okay? Yan. Yan yung sagot. Okay? Eh, ma'am, paano na yung f of g? Ayan, wala tayong space. So, f of g dito na lang. So, paano yung f of g? So, f of g of x. So, paano to? Diba? F of x over g of x. So, kunin na lang natin, substitute ulit. Ito yung f of x. So, x plus 2 over yung g natin. Ito, 3x minus 1. Ma'am, pwede ba i-cancel yung x? Kasi nasa numerator, denominator. Anong sagot? Hindi pwede mag-cancel kasi may operation between, di ba? Unless product yan, 2x tsaka 3x yun. That's the time na pwede tayo mag-cancel ng x. So dito, wala tayong maka-cancel out. Yan na po yung final answer. So that's the value of f over g of x. Okay? So, please review that.